Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you buy smart, not just buy. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, and we've got two heavyweights in the ring, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R10. It's like watching a cat fight, but instead of cats, we have cameras, and instead of fur, we have pixels. Let's see who walks away with the crown. First up, the price. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is going for a cool $799, while the Canon EOS R10 is strutting its stuff at $1,099. If you want to save some cash for a new lens, or maybe a lifetime supply of avocado toast, the ZV-E10 might be your best bet. However, if you're feeling fancy and want to impress your friends, the R10 could be the way to go. Reviewers appreciate the ZV-E10 for its affordability and value for money, while the R10 is praised for its premium features despite its higher price tag. Next, let's talk about image quality. Both cameras feature a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, ensuring sharp pictures. The ZV-E10 boasts a large exmor CMOS sensor paired with a fast BIONZX processor, while the R10 has the DIGICX image processor. Reviewers have noted the ZV-E10's impressive image quality and fast autofocus, making it a reliable choice for content creators. The R10, on the other hand, is highlighted for its excellent ergonomics and build quality, particularly for automotive and wildlife photography. It appears that both cameras shine in this category, but the R10 is seen as the overachiever. Now, let's roll into video capabilities. The ZV-E10 can shoot 4K movies oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, offering a gourmet experience without the calories. Meanwhile, the R10 also delivers ultra-high definition videos. Reviewers love the ZV-E10 for its 4K capabilities and easy editing features, while the R10 is noted for its solid video performance, making both cameras great options for videographers. However, the ZV-E10 seems to take the lead with its dedicated features for vloggers. Autofocus. The ZV-E10 features a product showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object, perfect for showing off new shoes. On the other hand, the R10 boasts smart and speedy autofocus with subject detection technology. Reviewers have noted the ZV-E10's impressive autofocus performance, especially for vlogging, while the R10's autofocus capabilities are commended for capturing fast-moving subjects like cars and wildlife. Both cameras excel here, but the ZV-E10 has the edge for content creators. Let's talk user experience. The ZV-E10 is designed for easy live streaming with just a single USB cable, making it user-friendly. Meanwhile, the R10 has a vibrant LED screen that's anti-smudge coated, ideal for those nacho-filled filming sessions. Reviewers appreciate the ZV-E10's lightweight body and user-friendly functions, while the R10 is praised for its build quality and ergonomics. Although both cameras cater to different user experiences, the ZV-E10 seems to be favored for its simplicity. Overall, the reviews for both cameras highlight their strengths and appeal to different types of users. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and excellent features for vloggers, while the Canon EOS R10 is recognized for its superior build quality, image, and autofocus performance. Both cameras have their loyal fans and serve their purposes well. So which camera is the winner? If you're looking for value and simplicity, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is your best buddy. But if you want to flex with some extra features and don't mind spending a little more, the Canon EOS R10 is there to impress. It's like choosing between a cozy blanket and a fancy new jacket. Both are great, just depends on your mood. Let us know in the comments which camera you'd pick and why. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart.